Mahigit doble ang tinaas mga kaso ng cybercrime sa Metro Manila ngayon taon.
Kung mas high-tech, mas napapadali yung proseso. Yun nga lang, kung nagagamit ito sa mabuti, mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan. Mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan.
Makapag-Facebook na. Hala, may nag-share sa akin ng link. Free data for 50 days. Maganda ata to ah. Pero wait, naisip ko na ba kung safe pa talaga lahat ng ginagawa natin online? Kasi imagine mo, nag-online ka lang, nag-click ka ng isang link, tapos biglang na-hack yung account mo. Hi everyone! Welcome to your vlog. Today, habang may ginagawa ko sa computer, pag-uusapan natin ang isang importanteng topic na very relevant sa ating generation, ang cyber threat.
Access granted.
So ano nga ba ang cyber threat? Cyber threat refers to different dangers or attacks that can happen when we use computers, cell phones, and the internet. For example, phishing, kung saan may nagpapadala sa'yo ng fake message or link para makuha ang personal information. Meron ding hacking, kung saan someone tries to access an account or system without permission. Of course, nandiyan din ang online scams, malware, fake websites, and identity theft. Gaya na lamang nito. Hala, 1 milyon? Pero teka muna. Baka imbes na makakuha ko ng 1 milyon, yung account ko naman ang mawala. That's why we should never immediately trust everything we see online. So, why is it important that other people should know about our advocacy? Simple lang, because almost everyone uses technology nowadays. Students use computers and phones for school, social media, games, communication, and entertainment. So, kung hindi tayo aware sa cyber threat, mas madali tayong maloko or maging biktima nito. For example, if someone sends you a suspicious link and you know nothing about phishing, baka pindutin mo agad. Our advocacy is not about making people afraid of technology. Instead, we want people to understand that technology is useful, but we also need to use it responsibly and safely. So, ano nga ba ang pwede natin gawin upang maiwasan ang mga ito? First, use strong and unique passwords. Second, never share your password or personal information with strangers. Third, don't click suspicious links. Fourth, check if the website or link is actually legitimate. And lastly, always think before you click. Kasi tandaan, one careless click can lead to a big problem. Pero one careful decision can also protect you. Tayin ko na nga to. So before you go back to scrolling, gaming, chatting, and browsing, remember that the internet isn't automatically dangerous, but we need to know how to use it safely. Cyber threats are real, and being informed is one of the best ways to protect ourselves. So if there's a one thing that I want you to remember from this vlog, it's this. Think before you click. Protect your information and stay safe online. This is Ralph Avril Estagupyun from Group 1, and this is my advocacy about cyber threat. Thank you for watching, and remember, hindi lahat ng clickable dapat i-click. See you on the next vlog.